I was just about to watch my favorite show. Do you want to join me? Come sit beside me here. Great. But wait, we need a snack. I wonder what we should make. Wait, I got it. Let's make some candy-colored popcorn together. Do you want to join me? You do? Great. Let's go whip it up in the kitchen together. Come on. Hey kids, welcome to my kitchen. Now we're ready to make some candy-colored popcorn. Let me get my apron on first. Let me show you the ingredients we're gonna need to make the colored candy popcorn. First, we're gonna need some popcorn kernels and some oil, butter, sugar, water, and food coloring. So let's make our popcorn first. Remember to have an adult help you kids when you're doing this. Now we can make popcorn in all different types of ways, so whatever you guys have at home, you can do. You can make it in the microwave or on the stove top, but I have something awesome for you guys. Come check it out. We're gonna make popcorn in a popcorn machine. Awesome, isn't this cool? Okay, let's make our popcorn. First, gonna add the oil and warm up the popcorn machine. Come on. Okay, we're gonna turn it on to warm it up. Now that the oil's warmed up, we're gonna add the popcorn. Now that our popcorn's done, let's make our candy mixture. So we're gonna start with our water and our butter. Come this way. Let's turn our stove on. We're gonna add the water and the butter. Now that it's all melted, it's time to add the sugar. Remember to put it right in the middle. Okay, it's gonna take some time to melt, so we have to keep stirring till all the sugar's melted. And once it's melted, we're gonna let it simmer for 5 minutes. Now that we're waiting for it to boil, let's get our popcorn ready so we can coat it. Come on. Okay, let's add some in this blue bowl. And now we're gonna add some in the green bowl. I think that's perfect. And our last bowl is the orange bowl to fill. Perfect, so we got 3 bowls of popcorn ready to be coated. Let's check our mixture to see if it's ready. Okay, the mixture's done. Let's shut off the stove and bring it to the side for 1 second so it cools. Now, we're gonna split this in 3 different bowls so we can color it. Come this way, come this way. Okay, so we're gonna put some in this bowl. A little in this bowl, a little in this bowl, and a little bit here. Okay, make sure it's even. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna add our food coloring. Which is your favorite color? It is? That's mine. That's awesome. Okay, we're gonna do one That's red. So we'll add some food coloring in this one. Put a couple drops. If you want it darker red, put more. If you want it lighter red, put a little bit less. Then we're gonna add a blue one to here. Now remember, the red and the blue are, do you remember? Our primary colors, you're right. Now, since we have the green, we're gonna add it in this one. But do you remember what two colors, actually primary colors, make a secondary color, which is green? Do you remember? You're right, it's blue and yellow. Good job, great memory, kids. Let's pour it in here, the green one. Okay, let's stir them up. Let's see the color. Here comes the red one. That's cool. And now let's stir the blue one. The blue one's really cool. I like that a lot. And the last one is the green one. Okay, now that we stirred them all, we're ready to pour them in our bowls with our popcorn so we can coat them. Let's start with the red one. So we're gonna pour it in all around. There you go. Make sure all that goodness gets in there. Okay, now let's add the blue with the blue bowl and stir that around too. Mix it and pour it. Here we go. Cool. This is fun, I love it. And the last one we're gonna do is the green one. Let's pour that green mixture in now. Oh, awesome. Super cool. I love that. Okay, now get your wooden spoons, because we're gonna need a wooden spoon to stir these so they don't stick, okay? So let's stir. Popcorn's all coated with the candy mixture. We have to bake it so all that coating dries and gets nice and hard and crunchy on it. So we're gonna need some baking sheets and some parchment paper so it doesn't stick. So here are our baking sheets. We're gonna just use 2. And our parchment paper. Cut a couple sheets. There you go. One there. And one over here. Perfect. So now we're gonna pour the popcorn in here and then we're gonna bake them. Perfect. Exactly what I wanted. Now let's turn the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and put it in for about 10 minutes only. It's ready. Let's take it out. Make sure we put our gloves on because we don't want to burn ourselves. Let's go. Whoa, cool, it's all ready. All the candy now is all dried. Oh, look at that. Look at those colors, so colorful. That's awesome. Wow, look, it's rainbow colored candy popcorn. Check out all those cool colors. Awesome, that came out really good. Come this way, I have to show you something. When I was small, my mom taught me something that was really cool and I want to share with you kids. I call them party pockets. I'm going to show you how to make them. So first we get a napkin, like that. And we're going to get one of the corners and fold it over and flatten it down. You got it? You're doing a good job. Now flip it over and fold the other corner to the other corner and flatten it down. Now we have a triangle. So the best part is you get to open it up like that in the middle. It's a pocket. So you can put all these cool goodies inside. We're gonna put popcorn. So let's put our rainbow colored popcorn that we made. Now, if you want a lot, you can fill it. If you want a little, just put a little bit. Whatever you guys like. I'm gonna put like that. Awesome. Check it out. See? And you can move it around and it doesn't fall. Cool. I think we should try some. What do you think? Yeah? Let me try. I'm gonna try the green one. It's so good. I have to try the blue one too, don't you think? Awesome. Did you try yours? It's incredible. Let's go watch our show now. Come on, kids. Thanks, kids, for helping me make our candy-colored popcorn together and our party pockets. Remember, if you want to learn more and have fun, subscribe to my channel. It's me, DeeDee. Now it's time to watch our show.